So, and finally, reason number 7 why people do not reach their goals is that it is just not attractive enough to them. This can be for different reasons. It could, of course, be reason number 1, I pointed out here, that it is just not your goal, that you find out that you do not really want to achieve that. But even if you want to achieve it, it can happen that it just doesn't feel attractive to work on the goal, and even reaching the goal doesn't seem too attractive to you. And this could be because the goal is just too huge for you, or maybe the opposite, it's just too small to really put effort in reaching the goal. So if you find out that you just do not feel attracted to achieve the goal, you have to think about it, and often it helps that you talk to somebody about why you do not want to achieve that goal. And remember, your subconscious is very important. You always should have your subconscious aboard in reaching your goals, and the subconscious is like a little child, and little children love presents. They want to unwrap some present. So maybe you just cannot see or feel the reward you will get when you once achieve this goal. Maybe you just have to work on that. We will talk more on how to make your goal attractive and having a big reward in the end in step number 3.